Okay, lastly I'm going to do an example of a chord progression. Chord progression will be slightly tricky because of the key we're in. If you sampled a different song, you might find this easier. So let's add a track that we can use to play chords. And why not leave it on piano for now? Okay. So for the chords, okay, that's definitely not going to work F major. So maybe I want F minor. To change from a major to a minor, you want to move the middle note down by a semitone. Okay, so that works. If I've got F, then I'm looking at kind of F as my first note, and then I want to use my fourth and fifth notes. So F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C, 1, 2, 3, 4, B and C. So F and C kind of will be my main one. So F works as a minor. Let's go up a bit. C. Okay, that works. So those two chords work. You could figure out some more chords as well. Do that as well. Could do that as well. So chords are more tricky, but if you can figure out your chords, you can have a go at doing that. So I'm going to demonstrate some chords. That was not anywhere near the chord I wanted to use, but it actually worked, so that's fine. Okay, my chords might work with my melody. Obviously I didn't listen to them as I was doing it. Okay, so I like that chord and melody. Let's see about my bass and melody, if that works. Okay, and as this happens, starts to take shape, you might then want to go back and make changes to like your drums. So yeah, that was like 3 examples of the level 5 and 6 task. Any combination of melody, bass, and or chords. Should we try them together, even though it won't work, but let's hear it anyway. It kind of worked, but it's a bit messy. Listen to the part you've done as you do. I obviously did the bass and melody and chords without listening to the other ones. You know, try and take inspiration from other parts you've done and keep it simple as well. Good luck.